it's me here. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to present you my new lights for my bike, because I'm planning a big bike tour, and for this bike tour I needed a tail light and a front light for my bicycle. And what I did is I discussed it with my friend, because he has a really amazing front light from HGM. I'm going to show it to you in a minute, and this video is going to be really short, wrapped up all the things together that you need to know if you want to buy a new bag and a new front light for your bicycle. And yeah, let's start.
Oh, bad bitch!
So basically what my friend has is this HGM 3 LED bike light, and there are the lights with 1, 2 and 3 LEDs, and the ones with 3 LEDs, they cost about €21. They are not available at the moment, as you can see, but I hope they will be available soon, and they cost about €21. But the thing is, they are so bright, they illumine the whole street. They're even illegal in Germany. There's this law, the German STVO, the law for the street, and these lights are not allowed because they're too bright. Okay, so what I needed if I wanted to buy this lights, they cost about €21 in the 3 LED version. What I needed is a backlight, and so I went on and looked, and there's this backlight from the same brand, and it costs about €4. So if I wanted a front light and a backlight from HGM, it would have cost me about €25. But what I did instead is I went online in one of those China shops. I went to Banggood, and what I saw really amazed me. I saw this light right here. It's a Xane light, and the price is perfect. As you can see, it's about $9, which in euros is a lot cheaper. But what I needed is a backlight, and so I found this nice set right here, which has an insane backlight from Xane. And it has the front light also. And yes, these are combined in a set which costs about $24, which is about like €20 and 80 cents or something like that, if you convert it into euros. And then I thought about it, okay, do I need like this light? Because in this light, if you use it, you have to attach the LiPo accu. You have to attach the accu with a strap to your bike, to the frame of your bike, because it has no internal like battery, and you have to attach the battery with a strap to your bike mount, to your bike frame. Sorry. And I wanted a light which would be all in one, and so I bought like this set from Xanes. It's called Xanes 100 lumen German standard bike, and the thing is, it has not 600 lumen, it has about 400, but it arrived right here, and I'm going to show it to you now. Let's go. This is the package, and we have the front light here. I think it's the front light, I'm not quite sure, and the back light here. This is a really nice package with all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with all the 64 LEDs right here. And you will see what's inside in a minute. Let's start with the front light. Suck, there comes a little USB port, because you can charge the front light via micro USB, the instructions, and the light itself. Yo guys, so when I first received the light, I thought, holy crap, this is a small thing. Because if you see it on the website, it's such a huge thing, and now it fits like in the palm of my hand. But it's insane. Another thing that I forgot is this thing to attach it to the pole of your bike, the pole mount. And yeah, this is the light sensor because it has a light sensor, and that's the light. Really cool. So let's look at the instructions quickly, and I'm going to show you some of the functions. Alright, so you can see it here. It has up to, when you use the main light, it has up to 400 lumen and not the 600, and it's not 600 as said on the website, and it can run up to 2 hours, and charge time is 2 hours. So let's go to the backlight, because the backlight is a really awesome. I think I have to open it from here. So that's the backlight, and it comes with, the backlight comes with micro USB to charge it, and with this strap. Oh, okay, another thing I forgot to say is you charge it from here, but it's clear. You charge the thing from here. It has a micro USB port, and yeah. So let's close it again, so it's perfect. Okay, so this light is really insane. It has 64 LEDs, a laser pointer right here, and a strap to attach it to the seat mount of your bike. So first things first, the on button is here. If you turn it on, do you see that, guys? Do you see it? I love bike. Isn't that awesome? And then there comes a little bike sign, another little bike sign, another little bike sign, and some animations which are really great. So to attract attention, and yeah, just so everybody can see you. And now here comes the pro feature of this bike. If you brake with your bike, like so, do you see that? If you brake with your bike, there comes a big red flashing light to show the people behind you that you are braking. And if you turn right, look at that, if you turn right, like 10 degrees, there goes an arrow to the right. If you turn left, there comes an arrow to the left. And if you brake, again the same thing. And now, if you press again one time, the laser is activated, and the laser projects something behind you on the floor. Do you see that? The laser projects something behind you on the floor, and it's a bike. It's insane. I'm going outside, and I'm going to show you this insane light in the dark. Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm currently outside and I'm going to demonstrate you the insane Xane front light for the bike. So, first of all, what you're going to do is you activate it with a large press, and you see it turns on. And here, right here, it has a little spot, a sensor, a light sensor, and I'm going to show you what I mean. If I go nearer to the light, you see it turns darker and then it turns off. But the more I come to the dark side, the brighter it gets, the light. So in this mode, it uses the light sensor to adjust the light. So another mode is when you tap the power on, power off button one time, there comes a red light. You can use this light, for example, if you use your Xane light as a backlight for your bike. If you have two of them, for example, you can use one of them as front light and one of them as backlight. Really nice red light. It illuminates very well. Another mode is if you tap one time again, it's the low light mode, but the light is so bright it already illuminates the whole surroundings. And if you tap once more, it turns brighter, even brighter, and it illuminates the whole surrounding here. And then you have the strobe mode, so that all the cars can see you, but it's really annoying. Alright. And if you tap once again, you have the sensor mode again. So, red mode, low light, and the very incredible bright mode. Look at this. It's insane how bright this thing is. It illuminates the whole... everything. Look at that. I'm going to illuminate our house. It's freaking insane, this little thing. So, and now to the Xane backlight. I already showed you the functions, the different functions. If you tap once, the light turns on. If you tilt it to the left, it shows you the sign for turning left. If you tilt it to the right, it shows you the sign for turning to the right. And if you tap once more, there comes the laser. And this laser beam, it projects a biker behind you on the floor. I'm going to show you in a second what I mean by that. So, once again, if you tap, there comes this normal arrow. I love bike, and a little bike, and all kinds of different graphics. To attract attention. So this thing is really nice. So guys, here I have it in my hands at the right, and here is the little projection of the biker, so you can see it. I'm going to move it a little bit. The projection is really clear and really nice, and you can project it wherever you want. You can project it on your house, for example. Yeah, it turns really big. Or you can project it wherever you want. And if you attach the backlight to the pole mount of your seat post, then you can see this little biker behind you. Here you have the normal signs, and here you have the little laser that projects the biker behind you on the floor, so that cars and everything can see you really good. Wonderful.